Hey, Professor. Doing homework problems again. Um, and today we're doing problem 8.4.7. Let's see if I can. Kind of close enough. We can talk like this. Um, so, uh, I chose A as the first problem. So it's the sum of 2 over the square root of k minus 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the integral test. So of course we take the integral from 3 to infinity of 2 over the square root of k minus 2. And then whenever we take that integral, we see that it diverges. And so if the integral diverges, then of course we know that the sum diverges. Yeah, there we go. So that was a pretty easy one. Next one is D here. We have the sum n starting at 0. I know, sorry, the n and the k switching, but I don't know why I did that. Kind of happened. But the sum as n starting at 0 of 100n over n factorial. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the ratio test. So of course we take the absolute value of a to the k plus 1 over the absolute value of a to k. So when we do that, we get the absolute value of 100 to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 factorial over 100n over n factorial. And so then when we solve that, we get 100 absolute value of 100 n plus 1 over n plus 1 factorial times the reciprocal of the previous statement. So now that we get n factorial over 100n, and then we can kind of not really cancel out the n factorial or the n plus 1 factorial. The n factorial goes away, and then we're left with 1 on top because the 100n and then the 100n plus 1 cancel each other out. And then we're left with that n plus 1 factorial on bottom. And then we see that no matter what, is going to be less than 0, or less than or equal to 1, and so therefore it converges. And I guess since we did the absolute value, it converges absolutely, which is even better. And last one here, we did F, so it's the sum starting at n equals 1 of n to the cubed minus 1 over n to the 5th minus plus 1. Sorry, should be plus. Hold on. See if I'll fix it real fast. Bam, plus 1. So what we're going to do is we can look at it as a sub n and b of n, which I believe is like the sum and difference rule. So that's basically what we're going to look at. So we're going to split it up into two different summations. The first one being n to the cubed over n to the 5th plus 1 minus 1 over n to the 5th plus 1. And then we can look at it, and of course 1 over n to the 5th plus 1 is definitely going to converge. That 1 doesn't even stand a chance against n to the 5th. And then we can look at into the 3rd and then into the 5th in the first one, and we see that again, that 5 is just going to wipe everything off the field. 3 is not even going to. It's going to stand kind of a chance, and then it's just going to die. So they both converge, and so if they both converge, that means that the whole summation will converge. So yeah, that was my 3 problems for 8.4.7. As a reflection, I think I did a little bit better with my speed. I feel like maybe my handwriting could have been done better. I could have been further out so you can see me and the whole board at the same time. Something like that. But yeah, other than that, I think that's alright. and hope you like my stuff over there, my collectibles. But yeah, anyway, I'll get working on 8.5.76. There you go. Yes. All right. Bye.